Hello friends. When we talk about the large corporations or a large enterprises, they are able to manage their business irrespective of what volumes they have. They have the efficient teams, technology and the deliverables. They are able to manage effectively. They have the system and their system is working effectively. But when it comes to know about the small and medium entrepreneurs and the small and medium corporations, they are not able to manage the way the efficient people in the large corporations are able to manage. The reason is very simple. In a large corporations, they believe on the teams, they believe on the technology, they believe on the system. But when it comes to know about the small and medium corporations and the small and medium entrepreneurs, they were not believing on the system, they are not believing on the teams, they are not believing on how the teams are doing the work. What is the biggest mistake that small and medium entrepreneurs are doing? That they do not have beliefs on the teams. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're working as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, particularly in small and medium, that you have to understand this. Then if you do not believe on the team and if you are not giving the work or assignment to your team, you are not able to grow the way you have expected your business to be grow. You have to deliver some of the tasks to your team and you have to control those work. You have to analyze those work, that what benefit by doing of this work by our team. You have to know that. There are certain rules and regulations that you have to follow. There are certain compliances that you have to follow. And in this business world, where a lot of compliance, the lot of the difficulties and challenges are, you have to work and rely on the team. And this, one of the biggest challenges that the small and medium entrepreneurs are facing as of date is goods and service tax compliance. They might be able to do the pricing work effectively. They might be able to run their business effectively. They might be able to happy to their customer, to attend the call, to provide those all flexibility and services to the customer. But when it comes to know the goods and service tax, they worry more because their dependency on only the outsourced expert professionals. Ladies and gentlemen, please understand this. If you have the business, you are running the business, you should know about that whether your GST compliances are effectively maintaining or not. Because at the end of the day, what happens if your compliances is not getting fulfilled, your business is not going to be operate in a longer run. Your business can be shut down because in GST, it is very clear that if you are not filing the returns timely, if you are not complying the returns timely, you will not able to run your business. Your business can be shut down. Yeah, you can run your business without GST. And when you run your business without GST, it means your objective here is to run your business in a very short volume of. And the short volume of your business cannot give you the more peace, more power, more flexible and opportunity. So you need to understand the goods and service tax, how the government of India through the GST Council is bringing the lot of notifications and circular. You need to know what is the rules and regulations for the composition scheme, whether you can available and aware about the composition schemes or not. If this is suits for you, you have to know about and you have to approach to your consultant. Whether others parts as well, if you are in a normal taxpayer, you should also know about that whether the compliances with respect to the goods and service tax are fulfilling or not. Because in goods and service tax, it is a completely automated mode. There is no any manual intervention. You have to simply show your all sales or service what you have done in a month. You have to simply pay the tax what you have the sales and services and what you have the purchasing and that input you have to set up and pay the balance tax to the government. Every month you have to do that. Whether you are doing this or not, you have to check. Because when your business is growing and you are not parallelly growing your compliances, your business can be shut down at any moment of the time. This is very important to know as an entrepreneur, as a business owner. You have to keep this with your consultant, whether your consultant is timely filing your returns, complying those all norms or not, particularly in GST, because when you are in a business, particularly in service or goods, you have to comply for. because goods and service tax is a necessity part of your business. It is going to integrate your business more, and you can have the opportunity to increase your business in a larger perspective that can provide only the GST. So make sure that you are compliance with the GST, you are fulfilling all those norms that GST is required for, and timely reviewing your GSTs, whether it is going to help you and what are those challenges that you have to discuss and close it. That is going to help you, because GST is one of the integrated tax that is going to provide you the more support in your business. GST is by amalgamating a large number of central and state tax and providing you only one single tax. You do not need to comply with the service tax, state-wide, central tax, sales tax, octroi, entertainment tax, and road tax, permit tax, central excise custom. You do not need to comply for that. Only you have to comply with the GST, goods and service tax, one single tax and one single return that you have to fulfill. That makes sure that you are doing that. Goods and service tax is also providing you the benchmark of your pricings. The pricings you can able to do in a very efficient manner, because there are not a lot of tax that you are going to be charged. So it is providing, whether you are in a domestic market or an international market, your pricing would also be stable and you would get more benefit. This is how the goods and services is going to provide you. So make a note, if you are working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, you are expert in the business, but at the same time you have to also take a assurance that you are fulfilling the compliance of the goods and service tax, and your business is doing with the goods and service tax compliance. That is going to help you more to run your business and to achieve the objective what you have set for. This is Sanjay Singh signing out. Until we meet again, thank you very much.